Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a board to a different workspace in Trello. So as you can see here, I'm in Trello guys, and I have this my ideas workspace here, and I want to copy it to a different workspace. So this is the MySpace workspace. As you can see, it's called MySpace on the upper left hand side, and I can go ahead and switch between to a different workspace. So this is a different workspace, and it only has this one board called, basically my one-to-one meeting, right? So let me go back to the MySpace workspace and select the board that I want to copy. So let's say I want to copy my ideas. All I have to do is just simple click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says copy board. Guys, you can give the board a name. So I'm going to call this one, for example, my ideas for Taco Bell. Let's call it that, right? Now you can go ahead and choose the workspace that you want. You can choose the visibility if you want it private, public, or you just want to leave it as the workspace visibility. And I'm going to leave it as that. Switch to the workspace that I want to select, which is the next one here. And then you can choose if you want to keep the cards, if you want to keep the card template, and so forth. So I'm going to leave it as is. I select the correct workspace that I want to copy to, and then simple click and create, and you will see in a moment that it quickly create that. So as you can see here right now that it is successfully created, and it's also in the Taco Bell workspace, and it switches. Now I'm going to go back to those workspace. So let me show you the Taco Bell workspace, and here you can see that it creates it. So now I have my ideas for Taco Bell in this specific Taco Bell workspace. And if I switch back to the next workspace, which is my space, I have this one, my ideas. So guys, there you have it. If you're working in Trello and you have boards that you want to copy, you can easily go ahead and copy a board from one workspace to another workspace. Easy by simple copying. Then you can choose what you want to copy to that board as well, or copy from that board. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.